Good day, everyone. Shalu here from Barrie. I'm just in the car. Oh my God, what a fantastic day. I gotta tell you, you know what? I love my life. I cannot believe what an amazing day every day is. I had, a friend drop by this morning, and then I had a couple other friends, that had told me they're gonna stop by in the afternoon, and how lovely it is to spend some time with beautiful people, right? It was so nice catching up. The one friend, she's been helping me a lot with my, legal battles, since the Canadian government deemed me ungovernable, right? So she's helping me through with that, and I hadn't seen her for a while, so it was, really nice catching up with her and just figuring out what the next steps are with the legal battles that we're, presenting back to the courts with how the laws really work, not the kangaroo courts they have going on. But in any case, that was that. And then, the other friends are up from Toronto, and they were looking to maybe move out of the city and come to, the northern parts of Ontario. And so they stopped by, and, we were just catching up going, wow, they're like-minded, so we're catching up of all the insanity that we've all been through in the last 3 years. And as we were talking, it really occurred to me just what a mind shift life has been over the last 3 years. And one of the most freeing how would I say it, one of the most freeing things, habits that I've picked up, I guess, would be that, or that I've learned, the lessons that I've learned is that how to be judgment free, right? How to be judgment free. Like I can't even explain how amazing that feels, because, when we're judging others, we're first and foremost judging ourselves. And so, it occurred, I was thinking that I couldn't even have taken the stand that I took, because if I was worried about what people were going to think, right? I was just done. I was so frustrated. I'm like, I don't care. I can't live in the world that they're creating. So I knew I had to do something. And so when I took the stand and I said enough is enough, my whole life's work was in the restaurant, and there was a chance I could have lost it. Right? So I stood up and I kept my doors open. I didn't shut down. And I didn't have time. I found my tribe. I found all the people that were the free thinkers, all the people that had had enough. But there was a lot of haters online as well, right? I didn't have time to look at all of that. And I don't even think I would have cared to look at that. And honestly, there's still times when people come in and they're like, oh my God, they'll see my signs or all the love that I got from people for staying open. There's notes all over the wall. And, they'll be judging me and, saying whatever they got to say. I mean, they can only give you what they got, so you love them anyway. But it doesn't bother me. It doesn't affect me at all. And even when it comes to friends, family, right? When you just have zero judgment, zero expectation, there's no way that they can let you down. There's no way that they can fail you. There's no way that, you'll ever have to do anything but just love them, right? And I think that's the part that's the most amazing, right? When we judge, we are in judgment jail. Right? And how long do you want to stay? I don't want to stay another minute, because ever since I got out of judgment jail, I'm having the best time of my life. Every moment is so joyful. Every moment is so fun. And honestly, I think people, they can sense that. They can sense when you're not judging, and their guard comes down, and they actually truly enjoy spending time around you. Last night, I went out with my 3 kids, and the old me, although I loved them then too, I just didn't know how much I was judging them, how my expectations made them feel less than. And last night we went out and we had the best time. It was so amazing because even though I could feel my oldest was sitting right next to me and I could feel him still thinking of me in the old ways, right? The old me. He hasn't totally let go of the idea that mom has changed. So he still falls into that trap. And when I just stayed in my space and just kept having fun, I could feel his guard come down. And then he relaxed and had fun too. And it was such a beautiful thing to watch and observe. And just, yeah, it's a memory I'll cherish forever. Now you're probably wondering, why am I talking so fast? It's because I'm on to my next adventure for the day. I'm helping a friend build her Kangen business, so I'm, setting up for a Kangen demo for her. So I really need to get in there, but I thought I'd hop on and let you know that, if you are tired of being in judgment jail and you want to get out, but you don't know how, you're looking for the tools, I am leading, along with Lori Foxall, the beautiful Lori Foxall, we are hosting a health and healing circle at the end of November, from the 23rd to the 26th. It's a 4-day course, and you will be amazed how much healing you can do and how quickly it can happen when you shift your thinking. We will provide you with the tools. We'll walk you through. It is such a beautiful process to watch. I would be honored if you would include us in your healing journey. If you have any questions, go to braveheartnation.com, or you can call myself at 705-828-2257. I see Lori is on here. Hi, beautiful Lori. You can put your phone number in the comments, Lori, and you can call Lori as well. Reach out, connect, and let's get the healing journey started, and let's get the party started. Let's just have the best day ever, every day. I love you all. Have a beautiful night.